Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. In today's video, we're gonna do a Thrive Market haul. The boys act like it's Christmas when our Thrive box gets delivered to our doorstep. They always go through it. They're excited to see what I've ordered for the week. So if you're into healthy living, healthy eating, better ingredients, you live in a small town, maybe you don't have a lot of options, Thrive Market is the way to go. You're able to, just order it online and it's delivered to your doorstep. Better, healthier ingredients for you and your family. It's very important to us. We're gonna do an unboxing today.
Yep.
All right. So I do have a link below. Click on it if you're interested in checking out Thrive Market. Okay. All right, take two. Our camera was full, so we had to delete some videos.
Chip.
Those are Gavin's favorite chips.
All right. We got some popcorn.
You don't have to go all the way.
We got some cheddar snack mix.
We got some cheese puffs.
Siete chips.
Yummy.
I don't really know what these are. They look like that. They taste like. I don't really know what they taste like.
Fruit circles.
It didn't take us long to get this in either. I literally ordered it 2 days ago, I think, and it was just delivered today.
Some gummies.
Dark chocolate, granola bars.
That's dark chocolate.
That's what we always get.
Really?
Turn around so they can see. Yes.
Ooh, brownie mix.
What's these again?
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
Yep.
Honey cinnamon
They're like graham crackers. Yep.
Some jerky sticks.
Graham crackers. But I love graham crackers.
Gum.
Oh,
This one's peppermint though, Dylan. That might be.
pizza dough.
I haven't tried the peppermint yet. Those are beets.
Beets. Do I not like it?
Let's see. Gonna be too hot for them?
I think so.
I want to try it.
This is the best pizza dough ever. They're too hot?
I don't know.
Turn around so they can see.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. We just made ketchup the other day at our friend's house at the Murphys. And I made this recipe one other time and they turned the nose up to it. And so we're gonna make homemade ketchup on a video.
What is it?
It's
Pizza
actually a
sauce.
fermented recipe.
Mom, what is it?
But they liked it this time. So, yeah, pizza sauce. This is sprouted organic pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. Yummy!
Ha! Ha!
They wrap everything really nicely in here. Oh, that's my favorite too. Coconut aminos.
We got like
So good.
pretzel sticks.
Pretzels.
Pretzels.
Beets. These are really good if you like beets.
My favorite jerky sticks.
Organic cooked beets. Ready to eat.
We got some salmon.
Laundry turkey.
Salmon. And
Yeah.
our favorite, popsicle.
Good pop.
Yeah, so 3 different flavors. But you have to shake them up first.
I got these little wipes. Good for cleaning like door handles, and it's good for cleaning my workstation for my microgreens. I thought about using these to clean my weights out in the garage. They're super dusty and dirty out there.
Alright.
Stuff like that. So.
Yep. Time to shake these up.
See?
Dishwasher, powder.
Time to shake this up.
Yeah, so you have to shake the popsicles before you put them in the freezer to activate the flavor. Pass them over.
That's it.
That's
say?
Dragon. Whoa. Wow.
Did you see the first next?
Yep.
I didn't see the first next.
All right. Passing.
That was quick.
I was quick. You guys went so quick. I don't think they want to hear that on the video.
You better make
Okay.
it.
Alright guys, like I said, if you are looking to order healthier ingredients, better ingredients
Yep.
than what you could find at, like, you know, all we have around here is Walmart. There's not a lot to offer there. Walmart is starting to get more
Whoa.
healthier stuff, but Thrive Market is where it's at for us. We've been ordering from Thrive Market for probably 3 or 4 years now. I just love them. You can actually go online and order, like, let's say you gluten-free. So you can put on gluten-free options and see what all they have. They have meats, you know, cold stuff, freezer stuff. There's so much to pick from there. So if you're, like I said, interested in finding some healthier options, order it online, have it delivered right to your doorstep in a few days. Thrive Market is where it's at. I think I said that twice.
Yep.
So click the link down below if you're interested in signing up. And yeah, now it's time to put all this away.
See you on the next time.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and share videos, guys.
Bye.
Peace out.
Peace.
I ripped his box.
Whoa. I want to rip that inside open. Get this out of here.